love isn't God.
This is a world filled with gods and monsters. And it's time for man to take a stand. So who will join us?
I'ma let him know before we get too deep. I am the beginning to the end. I am the light, I am the darkness, I am the life, I am the father, I'm the creator, I am the alpha and the omega, lyrical messiah, undertaker. So I bow by the Lord, I bow by the Lord. Can nobody ever see the hitter when the hitter is original touchdown first? That means I'm hanging the hitters like earth, and I can bring pain to haters like birth. Y'all wanna do work? I'm ripping up out of my shirt when I'm hearing this blasphemy. When they drop to their knees and they ask if a rap to get better, they pray and they ask for me, the almighty lyrical mastermind. Now that everybody try to cut about a hit us out like a hit us out when we hold the other down. All them really wanna try to run away with the sound, but they can't really go the mile. Tell them they can make it over this way if they really wanna edit on this day. It's their choice. Put on the rest of the picture, the voice. Monster focus, of course, so I see when they copy me. Part of them hitters if they do it really subtly. They can really only understand a part of me. They try to get the fun, but they can never get the harmony. I'm like a magnet, I keep attracting rappers. It's need of a master, kinda like sensei. So let them bow their heads and begin to pray. And as you pray, it's best you ask to be forgiven. Don't be foolish, don't be senseless, thinking you can be the victim, you can die. Tell them they better respect it and never forget where they got it from. Or we gon' come after the minutes with blood in my blood amount. And I don't really give a heck if it is. I'm talking about them cause the middles know that I can talk about, so walk about it. Follow when I walk about it. I'ma get the party started. I'm the head of it, while the mother hitters thought about it. Everybody knew the hitters and then I've been about it. Never met the person who's honest cause I'm really hard. Trying to go the distance, I'm taking just a little for the hammer. Competition, retreating and running full ball. Bring the lines, it's time to drop off. It's all of my rhymes, it's highly uncommon. All the minutes thinking they roll, but I'm coming. Pause my prime, it's time to pay homage. Look at who they try to be the most. Hit or put it down, double C's every coast. I'm one of the realest MCs that ever spoke. I really like the vibes, we never smoke. Dope, even when I lean with it. I'm clean with it. I am the illest hitters ever have seen with it, supreme with it. Y'all don't really want it cause I'm in my zone. Original cause it's my own. Somebody better tell them about the mother hitters faking and they real. It was second headed, I stab them. Sick of these so-called rappers coming with water down hit, bow hit. Somebody should've learned them all. It's never come around this with that clown hit. So I gotta show them with a little bit of melody. There will never ever be another thug harmony. They don't really bother dog, they don't really bother me cause they already know that I'm the leader of the artistry. Real in the streets, I keeps it real in the booth. Yeah, and even that 9mm I carry it still spits the truth. Hit it, don't test me, I'm not an experiment. Your curiosity may be innocent, but if you hitters ever run up on me, I'm an incredible hell of a lyricist and it's incredible. It can never live down the sound, it's so respectable. Have you heard the scary, deadly flow? That's the reason hitters wanna catch the blow and float on. I've been saving these rappers from sinking ever since I came in the game. And it ain't only rappers, it's even some singers. I sing it like us when they sing. Even producing the beats with the double time making the bang. So why in the heck is they acting like we ain't the reason that everything changed? Way back in the days when they came from East 99, the Beast 89. And really I never had to be awake cause they fell asleep on the giant. So I came back and showed them that I was the chosen one and they should never defy it. I'ma rock till the beat drop, I'ma make it feel it when the beat drop. You better bring a cold drink cause he hot. Hit a y'all better think cause we not, we retaliate. And the hit was crazy cause it was really crazy. Keep it real, what the heck I'm supposed to say. I mess with Kanye, I mess with Jay, I mess with Lil Wayne, I mess with Drake. I wanna have a menage, I mess with Nicki. I wanna rob a couple rappers, I mess with 50. The flow was out of control, so I mess with Kendrick. I mess with Mos Def, he mess with lyrics. I mess with Eminem, I mess with T.I., I mess with 2 J's. I mess with MC, I mess with Jeezy, but not what you made. And I'm messing with ASAP. Remember the matter remains that I tell them that leather bitch in this place and I'm still getting out of the train wreck. Wait a minute, you probably thought I was finished with me. It's never ending the killer machine. Instead of the killer for me, the gimmick, the illest of any minute, the realest of many. Feel the lyrics for the out that takes the poem. When you get it, you cover truck when you hear. I'm here in the middle spinning cause I got up in the spirit. I told them hitters in the beginning that I'ma kill them with 2,000 words in 2 minutes. Who that hitter running with the AK-47 packet pops like a fence was like 357 heat. So heated that these competitors are never ready. I'm like a disease that keeps spreading. I hit him like a headache or a migraine. Watch I hit the die in flames when I said it. Burn them the haters, ain't none of them crazy, ain't never afraid. Who's scared? Rocking like a real rapper. Then I put a little Jodeci in and say, yeah. I never wanna be a star. I'd rather kick it with the real hitters, chillin' with the field hitters, get the dollar bill hitter. If I gotta kill hitters, then you really fit admit the still hitter. Coming around the corner with a gun and yo, I got it cause I'm more than a performance and a rapper to the corner. So I give them all the one and when you see a hitter stop coming at you with an attitude, all you gotta do is salute.
We men sit at your table now, and you will earn our respect. And I will be watching you.
You do not yet know what is impossible.
No, I don't.